What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys step by step on how to achieve a knotless braid. So right here is all of the products that I use for this video. Everything here will be listed in the description box below. So of course you want to start with a clean scalp, so make sure your client, or if you're doing it on yourself, make sure you wash your hair and apply zero oil, no oil at all, because if you do apply oil on your scalp and you're using a product, the product will turn white, and we do not need any white residue. So now I'm just perfecting my parts and making sure they are to the T before I start my knotless braid. So I am using Magic Finger Shine and Jam. So this right here is the one-on-one, the T on how to start a knotless braid. As you can see, I am feeding the hair in on my left side. For some reason I braid left-handed, but I am a right-handed, so I think I just learned how to braid left-handed for some odd reason. But yes, you can see I am feeding in the hair in between my two fingers. So now, as you see, I am applying Shine and Jam to my client's natural hair. She did book the wrong color hair that she needed, so you can kind of like slightly tell the difference. But yeah, I do add Shine and Jam and just comb through her hair with the braiding hair so it will blend better. I am not doing any tucking in this video, so you want to keep the same consistency all the way through in order to achieve that flat knotless braid that you're looking for. Keep the same consistency as far as adding the hair, the amount of hair, and not changing your braiding routine with this braid. I really hope this video helps someone. So this is why I decided to record a how-to one-on-one video with the knotless braids, because a lot of people have been asking how do they start the braid and things of that nature. So I decided to do this video, and I really hope that it helped you. So just let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this video, and if you guys would like to see more videos of one-on-one classes. And people are really charging like a grip for these type of classes. So I was just thinking, you know, it's money out here for everyone, and why not just help the next, you know. So with that being said, I am going to show you a few more clips on how to start a knotless braid from different angles. So I'm just be quiet and let you guys watch the video. Watch it as many times as you need. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.